왜? 그렇게 가 이거야. 뭐? 어떻게 가 이거?
For Immunity Congress po sila.
Ay, hindi.
Check-in po.
Oo.
How may I know you're saying po?
Ay, no. Yung sa mister ko lang. Doktor. Wala. Uy. Ang taas.
Meron sa inyong ibibigay na paper.
Ito to.
I will make you
20. Oh, enough now. Don't play with it pa.
Okay, sige.
Nasira kayo. Saan natin lalagyan? Let's put this sa room.
Daddy, do you want this or I can eat it?
Ay, di ubusin mo. Di ba magkukuki ka mamaya? Ba't mo ubusin? Oh, kaya!
I know, butter. Come on there immediately.
Boy, be
Ito.
thankful kayo.
Mag-enjoy ako.
Everything there's free.
Give me cookie.
Eh,
Saan ba
dito. Diyan nga ang tsinelas eh.
Ba?
Yung tsinelas. Hindi ka nagdala ng tsinelas kasi, ayun o.
Mabuti, nilagay nyo na yung ano nito. Ay, ito
Kasi, di ba mamayang gabi?
pala eh. Hindi man lang maayos. Ano to?
Tama nga, ayan. Ay,
Ah,
dryer.
dryer.
Para sa buhok nga.
O pag kakanta ka,
Flashlight.
flashlight.
Ayan, dito mo lagay yung pera mo. Safety.
Nandun ako pera.
No need. Safety deposit.
Dito, pwede ka mag-selfie dyan.
Bunga ng selfie. Okay na? Oh, pambira. Oh. Ayan, stock, rare, soap, front, dryer. Pambihira. Oh. Ano ba yun? Energy saver, seat, water, power. Pwede nga eh. Ito no. Ito. Left, right. Go, dali na. Sige na. Test natin. Oh. Yeah. Say, ano ba sa Japanese yung hello, hello? Parang mga Japanese nga gusto ko eh. Ikaw talaga. Kay Jay mo eh. Oh, dali. Do your thing. You want some? Ako yoko. What's that? Cookie. I like brownie. Ito nga. Yan, parang maganda yung ano mo. Yan. Oh. Ito. Gusto ba yan? Kainin ko ngayon. Oo, ito lang. I don't know if there's chocolate or some what chocolate.
I think that's chocolate.
No, that's coffee. What? Water. Ito.
And coffee? What do you
Latte.
We have latte and coffee. Mocha.
Let's try latte. Chocolate.
We get no water.
Huh?
We get some water.
Yeah, water.
Kaya mo nito?
Taste it.
Hmm?
Give me good. Yeah, taste it.
Ano siya yung latte?
I asked for latte. Kaya, nasa ano tayo eh. Ayan o.
$39.
Sorry, the floor selected is a restricted floor. Please press the button for the desired floor.
I already did. Where? No, where?
Oh, not right here. Wait, it's 52 close.
Going back. What floor? It's 3902. 3902 there.
Oh, maybe it's this way.
Sir?
Maybe it's this way.
Mm-mm. There, oh. Dito tayo sa kabila. 39. Oh, here.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Here. I mean, here.
Good morning.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Didn't think about that.
Grand Hyatt at BGC. Look. Wow.
Dalawa lang.
Chef, bigyan mo ako yan.
So, nag-give
Even sa akin.
Ewan ko. Ay, ang sarap. Pati ako muna.
Oh, it's sparkly siya. I'll check if the blue is...
There's normal water.
Yeah.
Ano makita mo?
O yan yung dessert to.
I'm gonna keep looking until there's more.
Let's eat muna, let's eat.
Alright.
Cupcake.
Okay, let's eat.
My cupcake.
I'm gonna keep it for Lisa.
Ah, yeah, sure.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to take the plate because if you can take the dessert, there should be empty plates. No, there's not empty plates.
You can eat the soup.
No, I mean, you can just leave it here and get another one. No, that's fine. You can use that again. Start eating now.
How's the food?
Kaya! What? Ayaw ba yun ni Bea?
I've swam there before.
So you know. Okay.
Swam there before, right, Kuya?
It's not in right now. It's warm, it's very warm. Get in now, please. Oh.
Tumakbo tayo, palit tayo ng... Or mag-check out muna natin yun.
Mag-gym muna tayo. Tapos, magpalit ako ng tsinelas.
Mamaya after. Gusto mo ng towel?
Mag-ano ka?
May restaurant din pala dito eh. Sige nga, mag-ano ka na.
Oo nga. Kasi meron din dito. Oh, tulog na. Hala. Ganda ng ano. Oh.
Oh, tulog na agad doon. Kapas na yung kamay.
Mabilis. Sleep na. Good night. Si Kuya tulog na dun.